I'm going to show you how to divide a circle into equal sections without using a compass, just using a ruler. Makes it quick and simple and quite accurate.
First you want to get the width of the unit you're trying to do. In this case it's 4 3/4 inches in diameter. So what I'll do is I'll get a piece of paper and cut a piece of paper half that width. If we have 4 3/4.
I goofed. 4 3/4 would be 2 3/8.
Okay, once you get this cut 2 3/8 inches, because you got 4 3/4 for the width, so you cut the piece of paper in half basically. You put it right on the edge, and that's going to find your exact center. So you draw a line there, draw a line there, and then you can draw a line all the way through if you want, and that's going to give you your center of your DVD. Any circle you do that way, you figure the diameter, you figure how wide it is across, cut the piece of paper in half, and then you get your center. That's without any compass or any special tools needed. Now you want to divide this into 6 equal pieces, so it probably wouldn't be a bad thing again to, well, if you figure, you gotta get 3 pieces on each side. So here's an example. I'm gonna mark like this. That's one piece. You go here. I'm just using this basic piece of paper for a starting point. This is your second piece, and then here's your third piece, but you see it's over, it's too much. So you do is measure how far over this piece is. You've got basically 3/16 inch wider. So all you've got to do is cut 1/16 inch off of there, and then each of these will be 1/16 less, so you'll be exactly dead center. So I'm going to cut off 1/16 inch off of here. I'll mark it and cut it. So I'm cutting off 1/16 inch. Now when I draw my lines in the center, I'm going to start from this way, not to confuse you. Now we're actually 2 5/16 basically, but you're going to draw the lines right at the edge. You got one here. Now I'm doing this for a outdoor wind chime. Basically, I did this. I had to figure this out because I don't have a compass or anything else, so I had to figure another way of doing it. So you go there, and you see this one. It pretty much lines right up with there. So then you go on to this side. Well, I'm going to start from this top part again. And again, here's your first line right here. Then you've got your second, I'm going to cross this one out. Then you've got your second line, basically right here. Cross this one out. Then what you can do is draw the diagonals across. And then you split this into 6 equal pieces. And that's how you do any kind of circle into 6 easy pieces without any special equipment. Just a piece of paper, a ruler, and a pen. You can draw it out. Then for my wind chime, I'm measuring. Let me show you one more thing I did on my wind chime. I put this ruler, and basically this is small, so I'm going to figure 2 inches. 2 inches from here to here. I'm going to just draw a basic straight line, and then I'm going to measure this, I'm going to go 1/2 inch this way and 1/2 inch this way, and that's where my holes are going to be drilled. And I do it all the way around there, so you got equal holes where you put your 2 strings through. If you've only got 1 string holding your wind chime, you can drill a hole in the center of each one, but just keep it like 1/2 inch into the same distance all the way around. That's, again, the dummy's way to do a circle. I think it's pretty neat. It works out pretty well and pretty accurate. You're probably within 1/16 of an inch, so it's very close. Thanks for watching.